Welcome everyone. Today, we'll learn how to take screenshots on Windows. We will cover 3 easy methods that work on any Windows PC, allowing you to capture your screen in seconds. We are targeting beginners today, focusing on quick methods for saving receipts, sharing errors, or keeping notes. Let's start with our first method. Method 1 uses the Print Screen key, or PRTSCN. Press the key to copy the whole screen to your clipboard. Next, open Paint and press Ctrl plus V to paste the image. Finally, go to File Savito, save the file on your computer. Use this to capture the entire screen at once. Method 2 uses the shortcut, Windows plus Shift plus S. The screen dims, and you drag to select an area. Windows copies the selected area to the clipboard. You can then paste it into any application like Paint, Word, or email. This is ideal for capturing only part of the screen. Method 3 is using the Snipping Tool app. Click Start and type Snipping Tool to launch the app. Click New, select a mode like Rectangle or Full Screen, and then click Save to store the image to your PC. This app offers advanced features like delay timers and built-in editing. Where do screenshots save? PRTSCN copies to the clipboard only. Win plus PRTSCN saves the file automatically in Pictures screenshots. Win plus Shift plus S copies to the clipboard. The Snipping Tool requires you to choose the save location manually. To summarize, PRTSCN captures the whole screen to your clipboard. Win plus Shift plus S captures a specific area quickly. The Snipping Tool offers advanced options, and Win plus PRTSCN saves the full screen automatically. Practice each method to master screenshots like a pro.